A very good morning to all. Welcome to class 11th Economics. The chapter which we are doing is cost, and we have already covered these different types of cost. And our last topic was the fixed cost versus variable cost, where I explained to you about the total fixed cost and total variable cost. I think the diagram is now clear to everybody. Just have a look at the diagram once again. The above diagram is for the total fixed cost, where whether you are going to make the 0 units of output or you are making any 1 unit of output or n number of units of output, you simply see that the cost is fixed. That is total fixed cost, which means it is fixed for all units of output, whatever you are making. So the TFC curve is represented by a horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. All right, it is presented by horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. Then the TVC curve also we have done. TVC is the total variable cost curve, and total variable cost, I told you that it is an inverse S-shaped curve, TVC curve. Just have a look at the TVC curve, please. This is the TVC curve, which I explained you that it is the inverse S-shaped curve. Why it is inverse S-shaped? Because in the beginning, starting में क्या होता है TVC के साथ? Initially TVC increases at decreasing rate, because starting में like machinery जो है that is new, fixed factor new होता है, machinery new होती है, तो अगर हम रॉ मटेरियल मशीनरी में कम भी डालते हैं तो एफिशिएंसी लेवल अच्छा होने की वजह से हम लोगों को ज्यादा अच्छा आउटपुट मिलता है, राइट? सो in the beginning it is observed that the machinery is new, and because it is new, so ultimately the efficiency level is also good, and so as when efficiency level is also good, then we get less cost. But जैसे जैसे आउटपुट बढ़ता है, मशीनरी ओल्ड होनी स्टार्ट होती है, मशीनरी के ऊपर प्रेशर आना स्टार्ट होता है, द टीवीसी increases or starts rising at an increasing rate, then cost rises, so which makes ultimately the inverse S-shaped curve. Initially you can see, initially it increases at a falling rate, and then it increases at an increasing rate. Now the next topic here is total cost. Total cost. Total cost means the sum of total variable cost and total fixed cost. For example, if I am making 100 units of remote per day, and I want to know that what is the sum of the total cost of all those 100 units of remote, then definitely I will say in that case, what is the cost of 100 units of TFC? यानी कि what is the TFC of 100 units of remote? Fixed cost क्या है लगने वाला उसके ऊपर, और उसके ऊपर लगने वाला variable cost क्या है? दोनों को जब मैं sum कर दूं, then I will come to know that it is the total cost. Which means when I am making 0 units, please see the table here. एक बार जरा इस table को देखो. When I am making 0 unit, then in that case I am incurring 12 TFC. Why 12 TFC? Because I told you TFC is always there, whether you produce anything or not, but TFC is always there at all. In that case, when you are making 0 units of output, still you are incurring 12 TFC. But you know, when I'm not making anything, which means there would not be any variable cost. Variable cost तो उसके अंदर होगी ही नहीं. So what is the resultant TC? TC would be 12. That is fixed cost plus variable cost. So TC will be 12. Now have a look at the second part. If I in the second part say when I started making 1 unit of output, मैंने 1 unit बनाना start किया, TFC will remain same, and it will remain same at all levels of output, as I already told you. Now suppose on 1 unit of output, 6 rupees variable cost is incurring. 6 rupees variable cost is incurring on 1 level of output. In that case, what will be the total cost? The 12 TFC, the 12 TFC and 6 TVC. This is 18. So 18 is the total cost for making 1 unit of output. Now, then what is the total cost of making 4 units of output? When I am producing 4 units, just have a look what TFC I am incurring, that is 12, and what TVC I am incurring, that is 24. So 24 plus 12, which comes out to be 36. I hope this is clear to all. So TC is ultimately the sum total. The total cost is ultimately the sum total of total fixed cost and total variable cost. This is known as TC. So TC refers to the total cost, which is the sum total of, or which is the summation of total fixed cost and total variable cost. I hope this is clear to all. That what is known as TC. So please TC हमेशा ध्यान रखना है. TC is there, the sum total of TVC and TVC and TFC always. Now just have a look at the diagram. See, this is the diagram representing all three curves on the same diagram. This diagram gives you or shows you three different curves, which are TC, TVC and TFC. एक एक करके जरा इन तीनों के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. And this question is very, very important for exam. That what is the relationship between TC, TFC and TVC, and show it on a single diagram. This is very, very important question. Now see, when we say total cost and total variable cost and total fixed cost, and that we have to make on a single diagram, how we are going to make it? Let's see कैसे बनाते हैं हम लोग इसको. Now have a look please. First of all, we are going to make the TFC curve. See, this is the TFC curve. The total fixed cost curve, which we already know, this is horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. Can anybody tell me why it is a horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis? Why it is horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis? The question arises this. Why it is horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis? You know, it is horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis, very good students, because it is always constant at all level of output, because it is fixed. Very good. It is fixed and it is always constant at all levels of output. तो TFC curve तो आपकी straight line बन गई. ये तो समझ में आ गया हमें. चलो अब बात करते हैं TVC curve की. देखो TVC curve देख रहे हैं आप, starts from the origin. ये origin से start हो रही है. First initially it is increasing at decreasing rate and then it is increasing at increasing rate, which I told you the nature of TVC. Starting में जब हम कार परचेज करते हैं, कार विच इज अ फिक्स्ड फैक्टर, लंबे समय तक चलने वाला फैक्टर यूज होता है, जो वो कार जब इनिशियली बाय की जाती है तो इनिशियली इट इज ऑब्जर्व दैट कार इज डेफिनेटली अ लॉन्ग टर्म फैक्टर एंड इट इज गिविंग मोर एफिशिएंसी. कम पेट्रोल डालने पर भी ज्यादा माइलेज मिलता है बिगिनिंग में, इंजन बहुत अच्छा होता है उसका, प्रेशर बहुत कम होता है उसके ऊपर. लेकिन जैसे जैसे वो पुरानी होती जाती है, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 8 years, 10 years, व्हाट वी ऑब्जर्व, ज्यादा रॉ मटेरियल भी डालोगे तो कॉस्ट ही ज्यादा आएगी, बेनिफिट कम मिलेगा. टेल मी ऐसा होता है कि नहीं होता? प्लीज टेल मी. माइलेज कम हो जाती है ना उसकी, कम रॉ मटेरियल डाल के भी, ज्यादा रॉ मटेरियल डाल के भी जो उसके अंदर माइलेज होती है वो ऑटोमेटिकली कम हो जाती है. तो अल्टीमेटली वी सिंपली से दैट टीवीसी इज जीरो व्हेन देयर इज जीरो यूनिट ऑफ आउटपुट. इसलिए ओरिजिन से स्टार्ट हो रहा है नीचे से, फिर टीवीसी राइज कर रहा है पहले कम रेट पे, देख रहे हो डिक्रीजिंग रेट से राइज कर रहा है, बढ़ तो रहा है लेकिन इनिशियली डिक्रीज होते हुए बढ़ रहा है, फिर धीरे धीरे एकदम से इंक्रीज होता हुआ बढ़ रहा है. एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ, व्हाट नेचर ऑफ कर्व इट इज मेकिंग? टीवीसी, टेल मी व्हाट शेप टीवीसी इज मेकिंग? वेरी गुड, द टीवीसी इज मेकिंग inverse S shaped. The TVC is making inverse S shaped curve. Very good. Now we all are now aware of TVC and TFC. Let us see how to make TC. Now TC is the total cost. TC is the total cost. Total cost means which is the sum of TFC and TVC. Total cost is the sum of TVC and TFC. अभी टोटल कॉस्ट है. अब टोटल कॉस्ट देखिए कैसे होती है. सी, व्हेन वी आर सेइंग दैट इट इज टोटल कॉस्ट, देखो इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वेयर द टीएफसी इज स्टार्टिंग. हो रहा है स्टार्ट, इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वेयर द TFC is starting. देखो यहाँ से start हो रहा है at this point, from this point. It is starting from this point. Can you tell me why it is starting from where TFC started? It is not starting from origin. Why not from origin? What is the reason that it is not starting from origin? Because origin पे start होने का मतलब है कि 0 यूनिट्स पे कुछ भी कॉस्ट नहीं लग रही है ना. टोटल कॉस्ट अगर origin से start होगी यानी कि 0 यूनिट पे कुछ भी कॉस्ट नहीं है, लेकिन ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है क्योंकि वी ऑल नो दैट 0 यूनिट पे TFC इज ऑलवेज देयर. 0 यूनिट्स पे TFC इज ऑलवेज देयर. इसीलिए जब 0 यूनिट्स है वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वेयर द TFC स्टार्ट. और उसके बाद देखो क्या हो रहा है, जैसे जैसे देखो प्रोडक्शन बढ़ रही है, जैसे जैसे प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज हो रहा है हमारा TC भी इंक्रीज हो रहा है. लेकिन कौन से रेट से, फ्रॉम विच रेट? इट इज इंक्रीजिंग फ्रॉम द रेट एट विच द TVC इज इंक्रीजिंग. फिर जैसे जैसे TVC बढ़ रहा है ना वैसे वैसे TC बढ़ रहा है. कोई बता सकता है क्यों? Why it is going on? Why TC is increasing? Because in the same way as TVC is increasing. Very good, खुशी. Because आप इन दोनों का गैप देखो. Tell me this gap, please. What is this gap of TC and TFC? TC and TVC. TC और TVC का गैप क्या होता है? बताओ प्लीज. ये गैप कौन सा है TC और TVC का? This gap is TFC, है ना? We all know this gap is TFC, and TFC is always constant. TFC is always constant. ये जो गैप है, ये गैप है आपका TFC. This gap is TFC, right? And TFC is always constant. TFC is always constant. Straight line parallel to X axis. I hope it is clear to you all. Clear? So ध्यान रखो दोबारा. When we simply say that TFC is a curve which is a straight line, horizontal straight line parallel to X axis. TVC is a curve which is an inverse S-shaped curve. Inverse S-shaped means that it starts from the origin point. It starts from the origin point and then it increases in the inverse S-shaped. It increases in the inverse S-shaped, which means it has an aspect that in the beginning, because TVC is increasing at a decreasing rate, and then it is increasing at a increasing rate. So ultimately TVC rises and it makes a shape of inverse S shaped, right? And when we talk about TC, TC is the total cost. Total cost means it is the summation of TVC and TFC. And when it is the summation of TVC and TFC, it starts from the point from where the TFC starts. It starts from the point from where the TFC starts, and then ultimately it increasing in the same way as TVC increases. Why? Because the difference of TC and TVC is TFC, and TFC is always constant. Isliye just have a look at the diagram. The difference where I have written the TFC, it is always constant. You know, TC and TVC, both the curves are parallel to one another, and these curves are parallel because the TFC is always constant in nature. I hope this is clear. TFC is always constant in nature, so it is always parallel to each other, right? So let's move on to the next topic now. Now, when we have to see the total cost, we simply say that the total cost is the summation of TFC and TVC. The total cost is the summation of TFC and TVC. It starts from the point from where the TFC starts, and then it increases in the same way as there is increase in the TVC. That I have already explained you. Now just have a look at this schedule. It will be more clear to you. देखो ये वाला schedule. When the output is 0, TFC is 12, TVC is 0. So the TC is 12. आपने देखा इसीलिए beginning में TC कहां से start हुआ था? जहां से TFC start हुआ था. 12, 12. देख रहे हो? After that, when output is 1, because TFC is constant, then TVC starts increasing. 6, then 10, then 15, then 24, then 35. अगर हम गैप देखें तो TC भी तो सेम गैप से बढ़ रहा है, 6 से बढ़ा 12 to 18, then it increased by again 4, then increased by 5, then increased by 11, 9. That means that TVC is ultimately inverse S shape, and it gives the same shape to the TC curve because TFC is always constant and TFC is the gap of TC and TVC. I hope this is clear to all. Any doubt? Please let me know if any doubt is there, because now हमने कर लिया है TC वाला पोर्शन, टोटल कॉस्ट वाला पोर्शन. अभी नेक्स्ट हमारे पास आएगा एवरेज कॉस्ट वाला पोर्शन, विच वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम मंडे. वो हम लोग मंडे से स्टार्ट करेंगे, एंड देन होपफुली आफ्टर एवरेज कॉस्ट एंड मार्जिनल द चैप्टर विल बी ओवर. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग मच. आज मुझे टोटल वाला ही एक कॉन्सेप्ट, एक क्वेश्चन कराना था आपको, जो मैंने करा दिया. अब आप नोटबुक में आई एम गिविंग यू द क्वेश्चन